Hello guys, this is Anderson from Forex, and we're doing a weekly analysis on Usdcad. I want to cover this pair and give my insight as to what I'm expecting to happen on this currency pair this week. Now here's it. Market is just open and I'm looking at Usdcad majorly. I'm going to be monitoring this pair, and once it gives me a good confirmation, I'm going to be trading this currency pair to the direction in which I'm going to analyze, and I'm going to show you guys now. And I'm not going to go too far. This is we on the daily time frame now. 1.2900 is the key level for me. 1.3350 is the key level for me too. This is my weekly key level, and as you can see, market has been in an uptrend right here. Look how it respected our moving average right here. Look how price kept on coming back to this moving average. The setting of this moving average has been sent to a private member. They all know how to set this moving average and use them in accordance to our analysis and our strategy. So look how price comes back to this moving average, retest it and goes up to the up, goes and continue to the upside, comes back, retest, continue to the upside, and it's been doing like that for quite some time. Then when it got to the peak, I'd like to call this a peak formation. This right here, because price came here. Look what price is. This is a key level right here. What happened at 1.3600? It dropped to the downside, and when it dropped, what happened? It broke this previous key level, which was resistance, which was support, now turned resistance, broke it to the downside, and moving average right here has crossed to the downside. Look at it, it has been a cross here, which is indicated a serious and a huge downtrend for us. So what are we expecting? Ever since price broke this moving average to the downside, also broke this key level, it is crossed here, which signifies downtrend for us. What happens here? This is the first retest we have gotten on the moving average. So we will be looking to sell this currency pair. 1.3250 is a key level for me. Let's see how price reacts to this key level. So we'll step down to a 4-hour time frame and see how price has been behaving towards that zone. Here's what has happened in that zone. This has been a swing. This has been a swing right here. And look what's happened. Market has respected 1.3300 zone. This is what happened. Market is currently resting on 1.32500. So actually what I'm expecting, I gave this currency pair as a sell trade last week because it did not come true. So what I'm actually expecting right now is for price, it's breaking my counter trend line, to break this key level here. Once it breaks and they have a candle close to the downside, or you can just enter the trade right now. Let me get my risk reward tool and look at this perfectly and see how it goes. This is going to be my first target. This is going to be my first target, 71 pips. Enter the trade here, and my stop loss is going to be just above the shoulder, probably 38 pips. Let's look at this and see how it's going to look like. This is going to be my first target. This will be my second target right here, 153 pips. So this is it. 72 pips first target. Let's look at the head and shoulder and see how it correlates with this. This, what we have here is I have shoulder here, this is head, and what next? I'm expecting a shoulder to form here. So this is more like my head and shoulder pattern. And what do we know about head and shoulder pattern? It's a reversal pattern, and a very strong one of that, which signifies a sell setup. If it's an inverse head and shoulder pattern, we'll be looking to buy. So let's see how this 4-hour candle is going to close. Then we'll look to sell this to the downside. Or if I want to be aggressive on this one, I could just sell it to the downside immediately right now. And when it breaks, price breaks this 1.32500, it's going to be an extra confirmation that Usdcad is going to the downside. Thank you for watching.